Welcome to this episode of taking care of your cookware and kitchen tools. Always hone your knives every time you use them to keep your edge straight, and sharpen them once a month. To hone, use a honing steel. Run the knife blade at a 20-degree angle. For sharpening, a stone is best, but check with your knife brand on what coarseness is suitable to avoid unnecessary wear and tear. When cleaning, never put expensive knives in the dishwasher. Instead, wash them with warm water and mild soap and dry immediately to prevent rust or damage. While some knives may stain due to the metal composition, this is normal and not something to stress over. Cutting boards. It is important to have separate cutting boards for different uses. For example, a cheaper one for meat or foods that stain easily. If you're using a wooden cutting board, clean it with salt and soap. Always cut against the grain to avoid damage to the cutting board. Avoid glass or marble cutting boards as they can dull or even damage your knives. Stick to the wood or plastic ones for a better knife longevity. Clean as you go policy. Cleaning up as you cook makes for a more organized kitchen and helps prevent food from sitting out too long. Remember, the bacteria can start growing in foods that are kept between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees. So minimizing the time food spends in that range is important for safety. Quality of kitchenware. When shopping for kitchen tools, look for brands with high ratings and do some research on what professional chefs prefer. This ensures you're investing in durable, high-quality items that will last. Teflon pans. Never use metal utensils on Teflon pans, as they can scratch the surface, making the non-stick coating less effective. Stick to silicone, plastic, or wooden utensils to keep your Teflon pans in top shape. Best degreaser. If you need a powerful degreaser, Dawn dish soap is highly recommended. It was famously used during the Gulf oil spill, proving its toughness on greases while still being gentle enough for regular kitchen use. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your cookware and keep your kitchen running smoothly.